Today we are learn about the subject of mathematics, numbers from 100 to 200. Everybody, good morning. Say good morning, students. Good morning. Here, sharing the content in this slide. This is the content or the overview of the topic numbers from 100 to 200. Next, numbers name. Place the value HTO. What is mean by HTO? Place the value. You can place that value HTO. H means 100, T means tens and the ones. HTO you can use there the 100, tens and the ones. And last point is you can solve the some problems. Yes, students, then start the learning of numbers from 100 to 200. Are you ready? From this? Yes, ready. Then start. I can start the next slide. Numbers from 100 to 200. Okay? Here, numbers from 100 to 200. Is the number 1, 0, 1. You can count it 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 1, 0. Who can count? Anyone? Yes. Count it. 1, 0, 1 means 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. Yes, very good. You can count the number of 111 to 120. Who's this? Anyone? Can you count? Let's say you can start 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119 and 120. Yes, students, you do it. Start the learning of 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130 means 130. You can count the numbers from 121 to 130. It's a number of 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. You can count me for the students. Students, yes. Who can count for next counting? From numbers from 131 to 140. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 7, 138, 139, 140. Yes, anyone? Can you count the next number? Who's the next number? The number is 141. Who can count it? Anyone? Please raise your hand. Plus, anyone? Yes, you can count it. Very good. 151 means 151. 152. 153. 154. 155. 156. 157. 158. 159. 160. Yes, students. You can count it. The number of 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, and here the number of 170 means 170 is the number of 170. The number of 171, who can count it? Anyone? Yes, count the number 171, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, and here 180. Yes, this is most important for counting the numbers. Yes, children, you can count it, the number of 181. Yes, count the number from 181 to 190. Who can count it? Please raise your hand. Those who have counting. Yes. Then count the number 181. Here 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. Yes, very good, students. This is you can learn about the numbers. Here 191. Who can read the number of 191? Count the number 191. Who can count? Anyone? Yes, count it. 191, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 9. And here the number of 200. Who can count the repeated number with me for starting 101? Anyone? 101 to 200. Who can count total number? Yes, you can count 101 to 200. Next, the numbers name. In the screen, you can see the numbers name. Where the numbers name? Here the number counting and here the numbers name. You can count the number. Who's the number? Number is 101. Here the number 101. Then 101. O-N-E 1. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. A-N-D and O-N-E 101. Then next number 102. Who can read the number? Yes, O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. A-N-D and T-W-O 202. Yes, correct. The number. Next number 103. Who can read the number 103? 1 O-N-E 1. Here 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. A-N-D and T-H-R-E-E 303. Yes, it is correct the number. Next number 104. Who can count the number of 104? O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 A-N-D and F-O-U-R 4. Then next number 105. O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and 5 F-I-V-E 5. Next number 106. Who can read the number 106? O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and 6. Where the number of 106? Who can count the number 106? Yes, anyone? O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and 6 S-I-X 6. The next number 107. 107 O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and A-N-D and S-E-V-E-N 7. Next number 108. Who can read the number of 108? O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 A-N-D and E-I-G-H-T 808. Next number 109. O-N-E 1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and N-I-N-E 9. The next number 140. Who can read the number of 140? Anyone? Yes? Students? Anyone? Can you read the number? ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FORTY 40. Then next number 141 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 AND and FORTY 40 and ONE 141. Next 142. Who can read the 142 numbers? ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and 42. Which number? 142. Who can read me? Who can read with me? ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and 42 FORTY 40 TW 2. Next 142. The 100 yes students, you can use the numbers of 101, 102. ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and ONE1. Next 102 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and TW2. Then next number 103 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and THREE 103. Then next number 104 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and 4 FOUR 4. Then next 105 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and 5 FIVE 5. Then 108, 109 and 110. After that, who can read the number of 111? Anyone? Yes, 111. ELEVEN 11. 112. Here the number of 112. Who can read the number of 112? ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and TWELE 12. Next number 113. Anyone who can read the number of 113? ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and TWN 13. The next number 114 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 and FOURTWN 14. The next number 115. Who can read the number of 115? ONE1 HUN DRED 100 and FIFTWN 15. The next number 116 ONE 1 HUNDRED 116. Then 117 ONE 1 HUNDRED 117. SEVENTWN 17. Then next number 118 118. Who can count the number 118? 118 is the 118. Who can read the number 118? ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTWN 18. Yes, students, who can count the next number 119? Yes, count the number 119 and read its spelling. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 and 19 NINTWN 19. Then next number 120. Who can read the number 120? ONE 1 HUNDRED 120. Then next number, who can read the number of 121? 100 and ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 and TWENTY 20. ONE 1 121. Next number 122. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 and TWENTY 22. Yes, 122. Next number 123. Who can read the number of 123? ONE 1 HUNDRED 123. 124. Who can read the spelling of 124? ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 and 24. TWENTY 20 FOUR 424. Then the number of 125. Who can read the number of 125? ONE 125. 126 126. 127 128 129 130. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 and THIRTY 30. 130. Next, in this slide, you can see the number of 131 to 160. Yes, students, who can count the numbers 131 to 140. Also, it's read the spelling. 131 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 and THIRTY 31. Then next 132 132 133 Also read the spelling. 133, ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, AND and THIRTY 30, ONE 1, 131. Next number 134. Who can read the number of 134? ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, 134. Yes, students, very good answer. This is the correct answer. You count the next number 135. 135, ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and 35. 136, 137, 138, 139, and here 140. You count the number of 140. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and FORTY 40, 140. Also here next table, you have to count the number of 141 numbers from 141 to 150. Who can count it? ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and FORTY 40, 141. Next 142. Here ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and 42, 142. Next 143. Who can count the number 140? 143. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and FORTY 40, THREE 3, 143. Next 144. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and FORTY 44, FOUR 4. The numbers name for 145. Who can read the number of 145? ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, FORTY 40, FIVE 5, 145. Next number 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Likewise, you can complete the numbers from 141 to 150. Yes. Next, the numbers from 151 to 160. Anyone? Please count the number and read its spelling. 151, ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and FIFTY 50, ONE 1, 151. Then next 152, 152, 152. Here 153. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and FIFTY 50, THREE 3, 153. Next number 154. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, AND and FIFTY 50, FOUR 4 154. The next number 155. Who can read with me the number of 155? The number of 155. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, FIFTY 50, 150, and 5, FIFVE 5, 155. Next number, who can read the number? Anybody? Please read the number. 156, 156, ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and FIFTY 50, SIX 6, 156. Next number 157. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and 57. 157. Next 158. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and FITY 50, EIGHT 8, 158. Then next 159. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and 59, 159. Then 160. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and 60, SIXTY 60, 160. Yes, students, you learn about in this slide 131 numbers from 131 to 160. Here in this slide, the students, you can learn the number from 161 to 190. 161, 161, 162. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and SIXTY 60, TWO 2, 60 to 162. Then 163. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and 63. Likewise, you can complete the numbers from 161 to 170. How much? 163, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, and 170. Here 171, you can use the number of 171, 171, 172. What is the spelling of 171? ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, and SEVENTY 70 ONE 171. Then next 172. So students, you can learn the number of 172. Can you read the spelling? ONE HUNDRED 100. SEVENTY 70 TWO 172. 173. Next number 174. 175. 176. 177. 178. You can read the spelling. 178. ONE HUNDRED 100. and SEVENTY 70 EIGHT 178. 179. You can read the number of 179. ONE HUNDRED 100. and SEVENTY 70 NINE 179. The next number 180. ONE HUNDRED 100 and EIGHT 8 180. The next number, who can read the number from 181 to 190? Anyone? Can you read it? Yes? You can read it? ONE HUNDRED 100 and EIGHT 80 ONE 1. बोलो इसे 182 ONE
182. 183. 183. 184. 184. 185. 185. 186. 186. 187. 187. 188. 188. 189. 190.
Okay, let's students, you can learn about the numbers in this slide from 191 to 200. Let's begin. You can start the reading from numbers 191 to 200. Let's start.
191. 192. 193. 194. 195. 196. 197. 198. 199. 200.
Yes, here completed from the numbers from 100 to 200 means 101 to 200 it's a number. Next HTO. What is meaning of HTO? You can count here the table. There are number of boxes. This meaning of hundreds. Here tens, T means tens. There are two boxes in the branches of the tens. And once here separate boxes you can use a ones. That means HTO 100, tens and ones. Here solve the problem. You can solve the problem. Problem of first 129 means here you can write down 100 plus 2 tens plus 9 ones is equal to how much? Anyone can you say me the answer?
129.
Yes, it is correct answer. 129. Then next question, question number B. You can use the number of 163. Can you explain me the distribute of HTO? 100 plus 6 tens plus 3 ones is equal to
163.
163. Yes, very good students. This is the correct answer. Then you can solve the anyone. Can you raise your hand? Question number C. What is the question number C? Who can read the number?
176.
176. Yes, it is the correct answer for 176. Here the number of 100 plus 7 tens plus 6 ones. Then you can read the number. Anyone?
176.
176. Yes, this is the correct answer for 176. Then last question number D. Who can read the question number D?
182.
182 is equal to 100 plus
8 tens, 2 ones.
Yes, 100 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. Then equal to what is the answer of 182?
182.
182. Yes, this is the correct answer of 182. Next question, question number E. Who can read the question number E? 113. This is the number of 113. You can read the number of 100 plus 1 tens plus 3 ones. Then equal to how much?
130.
113. Yes, students. This is the correct answer for 113 in question number E. Next question, question number F. Who can read the number? Anyone?
199.
199. Yes, students. This number is 199. Who can read the number? 100.
9 tens, 9 ones.
100 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. Then how much? This is the values in
199.
Yes, very good students. You can solve the problems from 199. Let's begin. You can solve the problems from the numbers in 100 to 200. You can write the numbers from 100 to 200.
101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 101, 102,
12.
12, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 136,
26.
26, 127, 108, 28, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200.
Yes, students, here completed the numbers from 100 to 200. Then you can here learn about the numbers from 100 to 200. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.